Yeah, good morning everybody. So I was in court yesterday and my driver got found guilty. He's very likely to be disqualified now, so I'll leave that video for a later date until after the disqualification hearing. I think that's in June. But in the meantime, my friend Greg also went to court yesterday for this rubbish lorry driver. It's a 26-ton rubbish lorry, and this driver, if you can just about see it, is on his phone. I guess the things that struck me about this video is just how casual this driver was about being on the phone, and then how very arrogant and unwilling to stop his phone call when confronted by Greg. Yeah, I think you'll see that both the driver and the passenger weren't wearing their seatbelts either. I'm going to point out that HGVs in London comprise something like 5% of the traffic and are involved in 50% of road fatalities. So misbehavior like this is really very serious. Anyway, Greg tells me the driver turned up at court defending himself, which is not really a very good idea if you're serious about any kind of defense. And his defense in essence was that Greg is not a police officer. He's just another chap reporting road crime like I am, and that his camera was not court approved and therefore the evidence should be thrown out, or something along those lines. And needless to say, the court didn't really care very much for that defense. It's just complete nonsense, isn't it? So the driver was found guilty, given 6 points, a £500 fine, which is considerably more than the usual sort of £200, and £974 in costs. So I'm not sure what happens with drivers of HGVs in terms of fines and costs. So either the guy's on a lot of money, or fines because you're in an HGV are considerably greater. I don't know which of the two that is. Maybe someone who does know can comment. Then after this, what I believe happens is that the police notify the traffic commissioner, and the traffic commissioner then haul in any such HGV driver for a formal interview on whether they're suitable to keep on driving in HGV because of having been caught driving their phones. Yeah, it's a very serious offence for obvious reasons. And for the usual bungalows complaining about drivers being caught while stationary, I mean, look, this guy's on a phone call. Do you really think he was only using his phone while he was stationary in the queue? Obviously not. I mean, no phone call lasts exactly the length of the time you're stopped in a queue, not even London queues. And of course we know that stationary phone use is super dangerous. So yeah, that's it really for this one. Lovely jubbly, sound is a pound. Yeah, I follow a big jobber too, and if you don't, you should. Oh, and by the way, I'll put in Greg's YouTube and Twitter links in the video description, so give him a follow if you fancy it. Ciao.
Really? Fucking hell. Dude, you're driving a truck on your phone. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're on a phone call on a truck. Seriously. One of the most dangerous intersections around here. You think it's a joke, do you? Wave to the police. NK16OGP. Oi, you really are stupid, mate.